Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 14, we are going to focus on summarizing. Summarizing means telling the most important parts of a story or article in a short way. You do not need to write or say every detail, only the big ideas. If you look in your textbook, there are 4 steps we will focus on to better understand how to summarize. Number 1, read or listen carefully to the story or article. When it comes to understanding a story, you have to concentrate. And to concentrate, you cannot allow yourself to be distracted. Focus on the story, what you are reading, or what you are listening to. If you pay close attention to as many details as you can, this is how you will better understand the story. Number 2, think about these questions. What is the story about? To understand a story, start by looking at the title and pictures. This is the most basic thing you can do at the beginning. The title gives you a clue about the story, and pictures help you guess what is happening. Next, find the most important idea, also called the big idea. Ask yourself, what is this story mostly about? Who is in the story? What happens and where? And why is it important? Then look for important actions. Think about what happens first. What happens next? And how the story ends. It is not necessary to remember every detail. Instead, focus on the big actions. Finally, try to say the story in a few sentences using simple words. For example, the story is about a woman named Svetlana that works in a bakery. By following these steps, you can understand the main idea of a story, even if you do not understand every word. Number 3, it is best to write or say the main points in your own words, because this actually helps you better understand the story. When you explain an idea in your own way, you are thinking about the meaning instead of just memorizing words. This also helps you learn new vocabulary and practice using English naturally. If you only copy straight from the text, you may not fully understand what you are reading. Also, using short sentences makes it easier to organize thoughts and express ideas clearly. Long sentences can be confusing, especially if you are a beginner. Short sentences help you focus on the most important ideas without extra details. So, instead of copying, you should try to say the big idea in a simple way. For example, Svetlana carefully measures the ingredients, kneads the dough, and sets it aside to rise while the ovens heat up. You can say, Svetlana loves working at the bakery. This keeps the meaning, but it makes it easier to understand. By summarizing in your own words with short sentences, you will improve both your reading comprehension and writing skills. Finally, check your summary. Did you include only the important parts? And is your summary short and clear? Okay, let's look at the example in Activity 14. It reads, Svetlana works in a bakery. She makes bread and cakes. She is happy because she is with her family. So you can write a short summary like this. Svetlana works in a bakery and is happy to be with her family. You can practice this with other stories you read. But for now, your task is to review Svetlana's story in Activity 12.3 and write your own short summary in your textbook. Pause the video now and write your summary. Excellent work! Be sure to share your summary with your teacher, a classmate, a tutor, or even with me. Write your summary in the comments section of this video and I will give you my feedback. Just keep doing what you are doing. You're making great progress. Thank you for watching and be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.